Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga messages ni Scorpio. We have the Eagle King, the Big Picture, and Angelic Help. Napakaganda. Kasi po pwedeng meron dadating dito na tulong, no, from your guardian angels. Maybe there is something that you need to decide sa ngayon, kaya iniimbitahan din kayo na tignan ninyo yung sa pagde-decision ninyo, tignan ninyo yung sitwasyon ninyo on a bigger lens, on a bigger picture, para makita ninyo yung buong sitwasyon ninyo. You'd be able to see all four corners of your situation, no? So look at things at a bigger lens, at a bigger picture, okay? At saka meron ditong angelic help. So maaaring kayo ay matutulungan din ng divine universe na magpapadala siya ng tulong sa iyo through your guardian angels, no? So napakaganda. So we have the altar priestess, preparation, prayer, sacred ritual. So baka meron kayong mga pinaghahandaan, no? Sa ngayon, pwede rin na ikaw ay baka ano din kayo, spiritual practitioner din kayo, no? Maaaring meron kayong mga rituals na ginagawa, spells, mga ganon. Siguro din pwedeng kayo ay gumagawa din kayo ng divination, no? Maaring ganun din ang ganap, or other things, no, in the occult na pwedeng ginagawa ninyo, and maybe you are preparing for that sa ngayon. So, what else? We have the wise woman of Wonderland, integrity and compromise. Pwedeng you are going to enter into a compromise sa ngayon. Baka meron kayong situation wherein may someone dito na hindi ninyo nakasundo. May hindi kayo na pagkakaintindihan na dalawa. Meron kayong hindi na pagkakasunduan. But you want to keep the relationship in a good faith. Kaya maaaring magpapakumbaba kayo and you are going to enter a compromise na hindi naman mako-compromise ang integrity ninyo. Makikip nyo pa rin yun, no? So, there is balance dito that you are going to observe as well, no? Para hindi masira, hindi masayang, no, yung samahan ninyo, yung friendship ninyo, yung relationship ninyo, no? So, good luck. Tignan natin kung ano pa. We have Nine of Pentacles, beautiful energy. Si Nine of Pentacles is financial comfort, no? Financial stability, security na maaaring mabuild ninyo from here on. Maaari din na meron ditong financial na kasaganaan, no? You are going to experience abundance and prosperity financially because of this. Harvest time kasi ninyo ito is Scorpio, you know? Kung ano man yung pinagsisikapan ninyo, pinagtatrabahuan ninyo, whatever it is na nilagyan ninyo ng heart and soul ninyo talaga, ito na yung bunga nito, you know? Mayroon na kayong financial reward at ito na yung bunga ng inyong pagtsatsaga, pagsisikap, and you deserve to enjoy this. Kasi pinaghirapan mo ito, no? So, have fun. We have Knight of Cups. Meron din ditong, meron mag-a-apologize, no? Pwedeng kayo yung mag-a-apologize dito with this, compromise energy. Or pwedeng yung person, no, na nakaaway ninyo or na nakadiskusyon ninyo, maaaring siya yung mag-a-apologize sa inyo. Or could be anyone else, no? Baka meron someone dito na nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo in the past, and maybe that person is going to apologize. So what else? We have the sun. Wow, this is really beautiful. Scorpio. See, the sun is the most uplifting and most um, promising, napakasayang energy. Mababalot kayo ng liwanag. No? When the sun comes in sa reading, talagang energetic, no, ang magiging ganap ninyo. Masaya, exciting, punong-puno ng success, no? Mapupuno ng success ang buhay ninyo. Maraming magagandang pangyayaring magaganap. There are positive things going to happen in your life, positive changes, 'di ba? Ang tawag dito, financial success, material success will be yours. At saka magiging maganda ang pakiramdam, magiging maluwag ang inyong pakiramdam. At magkakaroon dito ng mga solusyon na yung mga problema, mahahanapan nyo na ng solusyon ng mga yan. At yung physical, no? Physical aspect, malaking pagbabago din ang pwedeng maganap dito. You may experience na yung physical strength and vitality ninyo also will be back. At magiging malakas, no? Kasi there is excitement, yung adrenaline ninyo would be on a high level as well, no? Yung ganon. Kaya, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.